we've been under-investing and under-maintaining in terms of our plants for a considerable period over years. Partly as a result of not having adequate funding to do the necessary maintenance, but also with the increasing shortage of capacity, not being able to always have all the units available to do the plant maintenance on. So inherently there are issues on the plant that makes the plant to be less reliable and available. Yes, there are elements of where we do have cases where lack of skill or lack of experience have caused us through human error to have trips on the plant or forced shutdowns, and that we then also rectify, and in many cases those units also then returning to the system. So there are elements, although very remotely, in terms of where we have had units being unavailable or not reliable as a result of interference to the plant, but that is much more the exception than the rule.